No more attendees. It's 51 done, I guess. Now it's filled. Okay, so everyone now mute, please, because I'm getting disturbance. Okay, great, thanks. So this is daily Nifty analysis, and if you remember, this is our last structured drawn on Nifty, and we have made this head and shoulder pattern. So this was head, left shoulder, right shoulder, and this on this right shoulder it has made a curved pattern and a handle formation and a breakout. Okay, so on a daily uh, we are almost on a heated zone, and there is a lack of momentum. You can see the momentum is moving down, and it seems as if buy side is not strong, and sellers are more taking control over the screen. And today we opened and we hit exactly at a hitting point of 880. Okay, so 880 was what we have discussed in previous webinar. It's gonna hit and we can have some 20, 50 or 100 points short covering from there. But it seems as if, you know, beyond 880 there was no long and there were no short in the screen as well. So that's it. I mean, the bulls were hit and the bears taken the control over the screen. If you can see, it's long leg, doji formation, a kind of dragonfly, you can say, and it is a bearish signal which shows that there should be some continuation tomorrow again on a downside, and the support of Nifty immediate support stands at about 10,743. So I guess SCX will be trading near to that only. Okay, it is presently 10,774 its future, so you can take the premium part also. So if on an hourly basis we are not able to sustain 10,743, that means we can see further selling from here. So further selling may rest somewhere on this blue box, which is around 458. So precisely, I mean 480 odd levels. And if you check open interest, I mean 10,500 has a heavy put open interest. So I don't see much of drastic fall, but if the selling continues day by day, then this is something where this May series could end. Okay, so we may actually not short sell beyond that point. So if any position needs to be taken, this is the point. You can look for overbought stocks, and you can play in put options as per your capital, or you can short in futures. But this is the resting point, and I think anything which breaks below this 743, one can take a negative call on it. Okay, so you need to keep that 10,743. If it breaks, the trend should continue on downward journey, and 10,477 is the precise point wherein Nifty could rest. Okay, so net those who are new, just to reiterate our positional targets. So positional targets for Nifty is standing somewhere here. I've given that arrows here. I'll post the chart in the group as well. So I think anything, long term, if we see, we can actually hit 88, 8,700 within next 1 year. Okay, but as of now, things are well controlled, and I think it will be very much gradual and poisonous thing. And you have already burnt, most of the people have already burnt hands in mid cap. So mid caps have fallen drastically, and it's something that there's a maintenance going on. Nifty MSCI index has been changing hands with few moving upwards scripts. So you need to be very cautious. I think 2018 is a very difficult journey for traders and investors to make money, because there is no one point clear direction to make money. So just one thing you can do is you can just stick to your trend base formation, and then just be a tail of this move, and you can make some partial partial money on some setups, some patterns. That's the best way to do it. Technically speaking, we have formed on a weekly basis evening star formation, and what I have always taught in you during my classes that we usually hit 50% of this, and this is the first time from the bottom it has hit 50% to the evening star. Okay, so all those who know my pattern, how I work on it. So this is the evening star. First time it has respected, and the moment it has respected evening star, that is what my target was. 10,880. We have hit the target. We've come down. So if we are continuing next week, it will form another evening star here. So be cautious and move. As I said, will rest at 10,480 if this selling continues. Okay.